In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password in Interactive Brokers. Keeping your trading account secure is essential, and updating your password regularly is a simple way to protect your information. I'll walk you through the process step by step, explain what you'll see on screen, and share a few helpful tips along the way. Start on the Interactive Brokers client portal and head to the Positions home page. This is the main dashboard view where you can see your portfolio and activity. If you're starting from a different section, no problem. Just navigate back to the home dashboard so the profile and settings options are easy to find. Look to the top right corner of the page and click the profile icon. Depending on your setup, it may appear as your initials or a small user silhouette. This opens a quick menu with your account options. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to the main area where you can manage personal preferences and security choices. It's where you'll make changes to things like login details. Next, select Password. You're now in the Password Management page. Here, you'll see the fields you need to complete to update your credentials. In the fields provided, first enter your current password so the system can verify it's you. Then enter your new password and re-enter it to confirm. Make sure your new password follows the requirements. It must be between 8 and 40 characters, include at least one number, cannot contain spaces, and remember that it is case sensitive. For a strong password, aim for a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters and numbers, avoid common words or sequences, and don't reuse a password you've used elsewhere. Double check for typos before proceeding, especially if your keyboard has caps lock on. When everything looks good, click Continue. If you're enrolled in the secure login system, you may be prompted to enter a confirmation number sent to your registered email or phone. Open the message, enter the code exactly as shown, and submit it. If it doesn't arrive right away, give it a moment and then check your spam or junk folder. After the system validates your code and password, click OK to complete the process. You should see a confirmation that your password has been updated. From this point forward, use your new password the next time you sign in. For safekeeping, consider storing it in a reputable password manager so you don't forget it. That's it. Your Interactive Brokers password is now changed. Thanks for watching and stay secure.